Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to create a beat or melody in our Beatbox machine project. So right now in our code, we've got it so that when we press one of the arrow keys, it's going to stop all the other code from going on. It's going to switch to a photo. It's going to make some kind of a percussion sound and then switch to the blank one. That's great and all, but I want to be able to create a beat by just pressing one key and not have to press a bunch of keys. So one way we can do that is we can go to our events and say something like a trigger like spacebar, and we're going to have it so that it switches to a photo and then plays some kind of a sound. Now, if you wanted to use a drum sound, you could do that to make a beat. If you wanted to make a melody, you could use a play note sound, and then you could even change which kind of instrument you want to hear for your different notes. But being a percussionist, I really like drums, so I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate these. So now I've got it so that it's going to switch to photo 1, photo 2, photo 3, and then photo 4. Doesn't matter what order you go in. And then at the very end, it's going to switch to the blank photo. And I want it to play the beat, so it's going to go bass drum, and then it's going to go closed hi-hat, and then snare drum, and then let's do bass drum one more again. And now when I press spacebar, it's going to do this. Cool, I really liked it. However, I'd like it to repeat. So I'm going to add in a control block and say, do this thing, let's say 4 times. Now, my blank backdrop, I only want that to occur at the end, so I'm going to put that outside of the repeat. So I put it right down here after everything. So now when I press spacebar, yeah. All right, so I really like that beat. Now, if you are using the sound blocks instead of the music blocks, scroll down here, you can use code like this. So it's the same idea in that you will go to the photo first, and then you will play your sound, and then you're simply just going to wait a little bit, and then it repeats that. Photo, sound, wait, photo, sound, wait, photo, sound, wait. And so that creates this. Boom, scat, boom, scat, boom, scat, boom, scat. Cool. Now, just like in the previous video where I fixed a bug, you just want to make sure that you always start this code in this project with a stop other scripts in Sprite. So back here on my other beat that I was working on, I'm going to add in a stop other scripts in Sprite and put that at the very top here. So that way, if I'm starting with this one, boom, scat, boom, I can stop it and immediately start playing this other beat. So I can actually switch between scat, boom, scat, boom, 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 between the two beats by pressing them back and forth with my fingers. Cool. So that's how you create a beat. And if you want to make a melody again, just use the play note, or you can even pick some of the sounds that are built into Scratch. Like in here, you can pick different notes for different instruments. So you just go into the sounds and then click on notes. Cool. Have some fun, make some really cool beats and some really nice melodies, and maybe even try and combine the two together so you have a beat and a melody. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.